Today I will show you that how you can easily make someone admin on Telegram app. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up Telegram app on your phone and then you'll have to tap on the group that you want to change the admin or you want to make a new admin of that group. And then once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on the group name on the top, and after that you'll have to tap on edit on the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll have to tap on administrators on the bottom, and then you will be able to see an option of add admin. You'll have to tap on it. Then you can add any or select any one of the group members that you want to make the admin. I will select the group member and then hit done. And you can also change the permissions, like he can pin messages or not. You can modify it according to your choice, and then you have to tap on done on the last stage. And now you can see there are two different admins. One is me and the other one is the person that I just made. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.